Ladies and gentlemen, now entering the field in Class 4A is the Hoover High School Marching Band from Hoover High School. The principal is Don Hewlett and superintendent is Dr. Kathy Murphy. The directors are Ryan Fitzpatrick, Sally White, Matthew Cicero, and Jeff Fondren. The drum majors are Daniel Phillips, Caitlin Berry, and Alexis Reeves. Their show is entitled The Sacred Line and features The Promise of Living by Aaron Copeland, The Outdoor Adventure by Aaron Copeland, and Songs of Earth, Water, Fire, and Sky by Robert Smith.
Gotta walk in front.
Drum majors Daniel Phillips, Caitlin Berry, and Alexis Reeves. Is your band ready? Hoover High School may take the field in competition.
The President in Washington sends word that he wishes to buy our land. But how can you buy or sell the sky? The land. The idea is strange to us. If we do not own the freshness of the air and the sparkle of the water, how can you buy them? Every part of the earth is sacred to my people. Every shining pine needle, every sandy shore, every mist in the dark woods, every meadow, every humming insect, all are holy in the memory and experience of my people. that the air shares its spirit with all the life that it supports. The wind that gave our grandfather his first breath also received his last sigh. The wind also gives our children the spirit of life. So if we sell our land, we must keep it apart and sacred, as a place where man can go to taste the wind that is sweetened by the meadow flowers. Is our mother. What befalls the earth befalls all the sons of the earth. know. There is only one God. No man, be he red man or white man, can be apart. We are all brothers.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Hoover, Alabama, the Hoover High School